Hey guys, it's Frances, and this week's stamping collaboration was hosted by Judi Nail Art, and her theme was Be Happy. So we were supposed to represent on our nails either happy faces or something that makes us very happy. As you're seeing right now is a sneak preview of what all the other ladies in the collab have done. Make sure that you go check them out. I will link their information below as always, and if you're coming from one of theirs, thank you for watching, and I'm glad you're here. I hope you like what you see. This is what I chose to do for this week. It is neons and it is happy faces. Both things make me very, very happy. For my base colors, I started out with a white base underneath, and then on my middle and ring finger are Orly Glow Stick, and on the rest of my fingers is China Glaze Purple. And I will be stamping using these plates, which is Fingerangel Plate that I got off of Amazon. I'll also be using an image off the Lena Hipster Geek or Chic plate. And I will be stamping with Beauty Big Bang Black Polish. And this is a Twinkle Tea stamping polish that is kind of a neon purple, although it's not showing up very neon on camera. And I will be taking these images off the Fingerangel plate. I believe these images are dupes for some Bunder Monster images, but I can't be sure because I don't own that plate. I actually went over each of these images twice to get the image a little bit darker because that purple stamping polish was not coming out as dark as I wanted to. There's a lot of open space on this image, so that probably had something to do with it. So like I said, I double stamped over each image with the same color just to get a more vibrant color. And I love how that turned out. And then I'm going to be picking up from the Lena polish, or the Lena plate rather, these happy faces of different sizes, and I'll be picking them up with black. And then I will be doing a reverse stamping. So I'll be using that Orly Glow Stick and a dotting tool to fill in these images. And I thought I was going to have to use white on the back of them, but I ended up not doing that. So I went ahead and just filled these in and left them to dry. It took about 20 minutes for them to dry. And then I wanted to turn over and make sure that they were filled. And then when they were dry to touch, I went ahead and just stamped them on my nail. And this was my final look. I love this look. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Thank you for spending your time with me. Make sure you check out the other ladies, and I will see you again next time.